Hey guys, I was told that I would be tested on my India knowledge today. Not sure exactly what's that about, but I guess let's find out.
India President, nothing tech. Akis Evangelist. Every time you give a wrong answer, we slash off.
Let's not do that.
Alright, I heard you're traveling to Bombay very soon, right?
Yeah.
Do you like Bombay?
Yeah, it's cool.
Do you know what's happening in Bombay currently?
Ganesh.
Ganesh Chaturthi, Akis.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's go.
You have to guess which god do we worship on this festival. No pressure, okay? It's just 1.4 billion people looking at it. Okay, let's see.
Anyhow, this one is out between those two. No. So I'll go with this one.
That's the wrong answer! What Indian dance form do you think goes with this song? You read it. In India also.
Shoulder move. No?
But what is it called is the question.
Have I got the move right? That's the important one. Boys, like this.
And
I got it?
yeah, you got the step right, Akis. But the question is, what is this dance form called?
Tararara.
Bhangra.
Bahangra. Brahangra.
Alright, the next question for you, Akis, is in which state is this sound considered auspicious?
My man. Why is Dhruv doing like this? Which part of India are you from, Dhruv?
Delhi.
So it's definitely not Delhi.
I'll give you some options, Akis. West Bengal, Rajasthan and Tamil Nadu.
I'll go, option 1, West Bengal.
Wow, that's right. That's correct. Wait, Akis.
Final price, 73,999.
We have 10 questions, Akis.
10
you
questions.
committed to... Can we have the food, please? Legit.
Man, that's good. I didn't have lunch. Is it spicy?
Do you know what is that, what is this and what is this?
This I eat sometimes for breakfast.
And it's called?
It's good. Idli sambar.
And this is chole
Chole.
bhatur.
Chole bhature.
Yeah. Yes. And
Is
that
it?
is biryani.
Biryani, this one no.
Which out of these three dishes do we consume on Eid?
Okay, I would put the biryani now. Those two feel like similar. Yeah, I'll go for this one.
Chole bhature?
Chole bhature.
You are absolutely wrong, Akis. This would be the cleanest. You can start with that.
What do you mean the cleanest? So you order this, they send you the pot, and here. This costs 5 rupees with the biryani or just the pot?
If it comes with the biryani in 5 rupees, this is definitely not clean, Akis. You've heard of the Aura Kid, I'm assuming.
Yeah.
Right? You've seen the video?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You did that video, right?
Yeah, we did that video. There's actually a very similar race that happens in India as well. It's a snake boat and a lot of boats are racing against each other. You have to tell us what festival does it happen on. And your options are Christmas,
I know this.
Halloween.
Nah, my man, come on,
Should we give him options for this?
No, he approved the creatives recently, right?
Onam, yeah?
That is absolutely correct.
You asked
Your
me
first-
about Onam festival. I know a lot about it.
Yeah?
Yeah?
What state is it
We
celebrated
celebrate
in?
the new beginning.
Where is it celebrated, Akis? What state?
In the south.
South! Yeah, just to keep peace with the sales team, we're going to make next set of questions super simple. What is the Festival of Lights, Akis? Which festival is called the Festival of Lights?
So no, guys. I know.
And?
Diwali.
Whoa. I think this is a hard one. The Hornbill Festival in Nagaland, where 16 tribes meet in Kisama to dance, eat bamboo shoot curry, drink rice beer, and
Bamboo
show off
shoot
their
curry.
warrior shawls, is named after which big bird? Do you want me to repeat the question, Akis?
Yeah, let's go.
The Hornbill Festival in Nagaland, where is named after which big bird? The Hornbill Akis with a curved beak.
That was confusing.
You can give up.
Parrot, yeah? A parrot.
The Parrot Festival in Nagaland. Cricket is also celebrated like a festival in India, right? You
Yeah.
know it's a proper religion in India. So much so that we've sponsored RCB last year.
Shout out to RCB.
Yeah, Carl had no clue. We sponsored an IPL team.
Huh?
Yeah.
Until they won. Oh no, until he had the training session on.
Yeah. So we sponsored RCB last year, right? And you met some of the players. They taught you how to play. Can you name 3 players from RCB?
Virat Kohli.
If you say Kohli 3 times, we'll take it as the right answer.
Gale. Who is Gale?
We don't have Chris Gayle anymore in RCB.
Kohli?
If you get this wrong, I think the marketing team is just going to cry.
No. Kohli, Rajat, Islewood.
Whoa! He got it!
But we'll see. We're actually working on something special for our early fans. So everyone has bought our first flagship devices. This include Phone 1 and Phone 2. As Carl mentioned, we're cooking up something for you guys. As you kind of believe in us, we're getting started.